soul would look up, not a soul would look down, to show me the way to fair Nottingham town. I rode a grey horse, a mule-rony mare, grey mane and grey tail, a green stripe down her back. Grey mane and grey tail, a green stripe down her back. There wasn't a hair on her that wasn't coal black. She stood so still, she threw me to the dirt. She bruised my hide and she bruised my shirt. From saddle to stirrup I mounted again, and on my 10 toes I rode over the plain. Met the king and the queen and the company muse, a marching behind and a marching before. Came a stark naked drummer, all beating his drum. 2 hands in his bosom, came marching along. I bought me a quart to drive gladness away, to stifle the dust, for it rained the whole day. Sat down on a hard, hot, cold, frozen stone. 10,000 stood round me, yet I was alone. When I got to fair Nottingham town, not a soul would look up, not a soul would look down, not a soul would look up, not a soul would look down, to show me the way to fair Nottingham town. Again, I don't know much about the song because I kind of did some digging on it, but it was so long ago I can't remember. I got it from Jean Ritchie, from her singing, not from her directly, but from her singing it, and again from the Alan Lomax archive of her. And I was intrigued first of all by the name, because I thought Nottingham town, it has to be maybe something to do with Nottingham, and you know, turned into something else. So I was just very curious about it. I think what I read was that it was quite an old song type. It's a riddle song, or it's kind of nonsensical, so it contradicts itself. Every line contradicts itself. But so there are some that would say that it was connected to some kind of ritual historically, but I don't really know much more than that, and I can't say anything for sure about it. So other than I love it,